Welcome to Long-Term Care Insurance 101. If you're here today, you're probably trying to understand how long-term care insurance actually works, what it pays for, how to file a claim, and how to make sure your loved one gets the benefits they've been paying for, sometimes for decades. My goal in the next few minutes is to make this simple, clear, and completely non-intimidating. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to understand what's possible, and that's exactly what this webinar is designed to give you.
My name is Michael Hawkins. I'm the owner of Interim Home Care here in Utah. We've been serving families since 2014, and as a team, we've helped hundreds of families navigate the long-term care insurance process, from understanding their policy to successfully activating benefits. I'm also a disabled military veteran. Because of my service-connected disability, my speech is sometimes impaired. So for clarity, I use an AI voice as an adaptive tool, similar to using mobility support. These are my words, my experiences, and my heart, delivered through a tool that helps me communicate more clearly. I know firsthand what it means to lose independence, and I know how overwhelming caregiving decisions can feel. That's why I'm committed to helping families understand their options and get the benefits they're entitled to.
Long-term care insurance exists because medical insurance and Medicare don't pay for the kind of ongoing care most seniors eventually need. 7 out of 10 adults will need assistance with daily activities at some point, things like bathing, dressing, mobility, or memory support. Without insurance, families often have to pay out of pocket, which can quickly drain savings. Long-term care insurance was designed to protect families from that burden. It helps people stay safe, stay supported, and stay in control of their aging journey.
Every policy is different, but most long-term care insurance covers 3 main categories of care. First, non-medical home care, help with daily activities, companionship, safety, and cognitive support. This is where most families prefer to begin because it allows mom or dad to stay home. Second, it may cover facility-based care, such as assisted living or memory care. And third, some policies include support for medical services, depending on how the policy was written. The key point is this: home care is almost always reimbursable, and most families don't realize that.
You can usually file a long-term care insurance claim when one of 2 things is true. First, if a licensed professional confirms the person needs help with at least 2 of the 6 activities of daily living: bathing, dressing, eating, toileting, transferring, or continence. Or second, if the person has a cognitive impairment, such as dementia, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's cognitive decline, stroke, or a brain injury. Most policies also require a plan of care, which is typically created by a nurse or qualified professional. At Interim, we help families get this done at the start of care. Many families qualify much earlier than they think. Most long-term care insurance policies have 4 major components: the benefit amount, which is usually a daily or monthly maximum, for example, $180 a day or $5,400 a month; the benefit period, which is how long benefits last, 3 years, 5 years, or sometimes unlimited; the elimination period, which acts like a deductible measured in days instead of money. Most are 30, 60, or 90 days. And finally, inflation protection, which increases the value of the benefit over time. Many older policies are far more valuable today because of this feature. You don't need to memorize any of this. Just knowing these terms helps you ask the right questions. When an insurer reviews your claim, they're primarily looking for clear, consistent documentation. They confirm that the person needs help with daily activities or has a cognitive impairment. They verify that a licensed professional created a care plan. They review care notes and invoices to ensure the services align with what the policy covers. And they confirm who provided the care. The good news is that your job isn't to fight the insurance company. Your job is simply to provide clear and accurate documentation, and we help families with that every day. When an insurer reviews your claim, they're primarily looking for clear, consistent documentation. They confirm that the person needs help with daily activities or has a cognitive impairment. They verify that a licensed professional created a care plan. They review care notes and invoices to ensure the services align with what the policy covers. And they confirm who provided the care. The good news is that your job isn't to fight the insurance company. Your job is simply to provide clear and accurate documentation, and we help families with that every day.
Most long-term care insurance policies reimburse the family directly. You pay your home care agency, in this case Interim, for the care provided. We give you itemized invoices and care notes. You submit them to the insurance company, and the insurance company sends the reimbursement check directly to you.
There are 5 common mistakes we see families make. Number 1, waiting too long to file a claim. Number 2, assuming they're not eligible yet. Number 3, believing Medicare covers long-term care. It does not. Number 4, misunderstanding the elimination period. And number 5, starting care without a plan for ongoing documentation. The earlier you understand your benefits, the more you can preserve.
Let me share a brief example. A daughter came to us believing her mother wasn't eligible yet. Her mother had mild dementia and mobility issues and had been paying into a long-term care policy for almost 20 years. We reviewed the policy, completed the assessment, built the care plan, and started home care. Her policy reimbursed $5,400 a month. Her mother stayed in her home. The daughter got her life back. And the benefits she thought she couldn't use became the safety net her family desperately needed. Stories like this happen far more often than families realize.
At Interim, we support families through every step of the long-term care insurance process. We help you understand your policy. We coordinate the required assessments. We create the plan of care. We provide the accurate, compliant documentation needed for reimbursement. And we deliver dependable, professional home care that keeps your loved ones safe at home. You don't have to go through this alone. This is what we do every day.
If you'd like help understanding your long-term care insurance policy, we offer a free 15-minute LTC insurance review. We'll walk through your benefits, answer questions, and help you understand what care may be available. No pressure, no obligation. You can schedule a time by visiting www.interimutah.com or by calling 801-401-3515. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this webinar gives you the clarity and confidence you've been looking for.